Hello dear fans. How many countries are in Africa? Africa is a continent with many states on its territory. It has long been home to various tribes that have fully preserved their identity, as well as quite modern inhabitants. How many countries are located on the African continent? African states. On the territory of Africa and the islands adjacent to it, there are 54 countries. These include Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Djibouti, and Egypt. Also African countries are Zambia, Zimbabwe, Cape Verde, Cameroon, Kenya, Comoros, Congo, Ivory Coast, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Mauritius, Mauritania, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Nigeria, Rwanda, and São Tomé and Príncipe. In addition, Africa includes Swaziland, Seychelles, Senegal, Somalia, Sudan, Sierra Leone, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Central African Republic, Chad, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Ethiopia, South Africa, and South Sudan. Most of these states have been colonies of European countries for a long time. They gained their independence in the 50-60s of the 20th century, while the status of Western Sahara is still uncertain. All African states are members of the African Union and the United Nations. Life in African countries. Until the 20th century, only Liberia, South Africa, and Ethiopia could boast of independence, but discrimination against the indigenous black population in South Africa persisted until the 90s. Today, the last African colonies are located in the northern part of the continent, namely, in Spain, which borders Morocco, Reunion Island and a number of small islands in the Indian Ocean. Africa Day is celebrated on May 25. It was on this day in 1963 that the Charter on the Establishment of the Organization of African Unity was signed. Despite the fact that almost all African states have the richest human and natural resources, most of them constantly suffer from overpopulation, poverty, droughts, epidemics, and bloody internecine wars. Many African peoples living far from large cities are deprived of the opportunity to use clean drinking and tap water, and medicine is almost inaccessible to the ordinary indigenous population. The poverty level in African countries is catastrophically high. Their inhabitants are dying from diseases that are curable today, AIDS, drug addiction, and the number of early pregnancy among adolescents exceeds all reasonable limits. Thanks for watching.